Ever wondered how much it really costs to run a slick, modern point-of-sale system like Revel? It's a question I get asked all the time, and honestly, it's not a simple answer. You see, Revel, like most robust POS systems, isn't a one-size-fits-all kind of deal. There are a bunch of factors that influence the final price tag, and understanding those is key to budgeting effectively for your business. Think of it like buying a car. You wouldn't just walk into a dealership and ask, "How much does a car cost?" You'd probably have a specific model in mind, consider the trim level, whether you want leather seats, the upgraded sound system, and so on. All those choices affect the final price. Revel POS is similar. So, let's break down the different components that contribute to the overall cost of Revel POS. First and foremost, you've got the software subscription itself. This is the recurring cost, usually billed monthly, that gives you access to the Revel platform. And just like those car trim levels, Revel offers different tiers of subscriptions, each with varying features and capabilities. The most basic tier might be perfect for a small startup, offering essential features like order management, payment processing, and basic reporting. But if you're a larger, more established business, you might need the higher tiers that include things like advanced inventory management, employee scheduling, loyalty programs, and detailed analytics. These higher tiers naturally come with a higher monthly price tag. Now, beyond the software, you need hardware. This is where things can get a little more complex. Revel is a hardware-agnostic system, meaning it can run on a variety of devices. You can choose iPads, which are a popular option for their sleek design and user-friendliness, or you might opt for more traditional POS terminals. The cost of this hardware, of course, depends on the specific devices you choose, the number of terminals you need, and whether you're buying them outright or leasing them. Think about it. Do you need just a couple of iPads for a small cafe? Or are you outfitting a large restaurant with multiple terminals, kitchen displays, and handheld ordering devices? Each of these adds to the hardware cost. And don't forget peripherals. You'll likely need a cash drawer, a receipt printer, and maybe even a barcode scanner. These might seem like small things, but their costs can add up. Then there's the implementation and training. Getting your Revel system up and running smoothly isn't just about plugging in the hardware. It involves setting up your menu, configuring your settings, and training your staff on how to use the system effectively. Some Revel resellers offer implementation services, which can include on-site setup, data migration from your old system, and personalized training sessions. These services, while incredibly valuable, do come at an additional cost. Now, you might be thinking, okay, I get it. There are a lot of variables. But can you give me a ballpark figure? And that's a fair question. Unfortunately, I can't give you a hard number. It would be irresponsible of me to throw out a random price without knowing the specifics of your business. It's like asking, how much does a house cost? Well, it depends. Is it a one-bedroom apartment or a five-bedroom mansion? Is it in the city center or the countryside? The same principle applies to Revel POS. However, I can give you a general idea. For a small business with basic needs, you might be looking at a few $100s per month for the software subscription, plus the cost of one or two iPads and some basic peripherals. But for a larger business with more complex requirements, the monthly cost could easily climb into the thousands. The best way to get an accurate estimate is to contact Revel directly or reach out to one of their authorized resellers. They can walk you through the different options, understand your specific needs, and provide you with a customized quote. Don't be afraid to ask questions. The more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to make an informed decision. Remember, investing in a good POS system is an investment in your business. It's not just about taking orders and processing payments. It's about streamlining your operations, improving efficiency, and gaining valuable insights into your business performance. A well-chosen POS system can save you time and money in the long run, even if the initial cost seems a bit daunting. So, do your research, compare different options, and get quotes from multiple vendors. Don't just focus on the sticker price. Consider the long-term value and how the system can help you grow your business. Think about the features you need now and the features you might need in the future. Choose a system that can scale with your business as it grows. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.